Hello Glams, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha and my channel is Glamorous Mimi, and you also read that title, you read that thunder. It's the Valentine's makeup look. Yes, before you get in the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell so you won't miss any videos I post, and follow all my social media, which is at the bottom of this screen. And make sure you subscribe to my vlog channel and go check it out. There's no shout outs today. I was in a rush, I forgot. So yeah, basically that's it. So let's get right into this video. This Valentine's makeup look. Yes. Hey Glamorous Babe, this is our Valentine's Day look, and of course I look foolish right now, as you can see, but I already concealed my eye. I already did my left eye, so I will be working out my matte palette from Perfusion and my Confidence palette. Of course, my Confidence palette, and of course these colors are wonderful. So let's get back into the Valentine's Day makeup. The first shade I'm gonna start out with is Doll as a transition shade, and it's gonna be cool. The next shade I'm going to take is Switch and put it in my definer and crease area where Doll at. The next shade I'm going to take is Fireside, and this is more of a wine color. I'm just gonna put that on top of Switch to bring it out and more darken it.
Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make a...
Now I'm gonna go back in with Switch and just blend it all out even.
Under your spotlight.
Now I'm gonna take Empire and put it on my eyelid. Now I'm going to take Mascot and highlight my brow bone.
Like it's a vibe under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling.
Now I'm going to do my eyeliner, and I'm going to use my Ever Easy Kiss Lashes, and the number 01 is what I got on my left eye. So I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyeliner and my eyelashes. Now I'm using two foundations. That's my go-to. It's my favorite. It has become my favorite. It's my NYX, and I'm using honey and warm caramel, and I'm gonna use it to do my foundation. Yes. Now I'm going to use my Wet n Wild concealer and Deep Tan and Tawny to conceal my under eyes. I'm going to take my Airspun to set my concealer. Now I'm going to contour around my perimeter of my head, around my forehead, and this cheeks. Oh. Now my highlight using this is my Ray Ray palette, using Radiant to highlight my cheekbones. I did my waterline on camera, and I set my under eye, my eyelid with Fireside, just on my eyelid, my bottom lid with Fireside dash shadow. Lips, I'm using this Jante blue that I got on my Ipsy Bag and one of these lippies. I don't know which gonna look best, but I'm gonna try it. So this is the end of my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Valentine's makeup look, and don't forget to subscribe at the bottom, and please turn that notification bell on so you won't miss any videos I post. And make sure you go check out my vlog channel, Glamorous Babes TV, and subscribe there, and follow my social media is at the bottom of this screen. And help me, if you don't enjoy my content, help me get to 200 subscribers, and I'm almost there. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.